My name is Kathy Johns. I'm Microsoft certified, and I've been teaching Office courses for over 20 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. So let's take a look at some of the things you're seeing on the screen. I just want to make sure that you know what everything is, where it is, so that we'll be able to use it moving forward. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and I'm just going to give you some terms. So the first thing that we see up there, you'll notice in the very upper left-hand corner on the title bar, it says autosave, and then you have the save icon, and there's little arrows that are grayed out, the undo and the redo. So we'll talk more about those later, but that's what we call the quick access toolbar. Underneath that, you'll see the ribbon. That's all the tabs that we have, starting with File and Home. And we'll talk more about that later and some of the commands that you have. So if you move your mouse on down, you'll see the name box where it says A1. And then move your mouse to the right and you will see the formula bar. That's the big white bar all the way across. So we're going to be using that quite a bit, but we call that the formula bar, and you'll see the tag right there as you hold your mouse. Of course, we have a scroll bar on the far right of your screen and across the bottom, so you're used to using your scroll bars.